Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Marine Pictolife Book. So these are a series of books. They're all sort of regional, so depending on where you're going to be snorkeling or scuba diving, these are a marine life ID book. And the main thing that makes this really useful is the fact that it's waterproof. So all of these pages are, they're not laminated, they're a plastic material, so you don't have to worry about getting them wet. They're spiral bound as well, so it's really easy to flick through. The only thing that isn't waterproof is the kind of the guide that comes sort of stuck in the middle of the book, and that just kind of tells you what all the different symbols mean in lots of different languages as well. But on the inside of the book, if I just show you a random page, so we have pictures of all the different sort of marine life that you're likely to see in that specific area. So this book is Western Tropical Atlantic, so like the Caribbean Sea. So kind of what species you're likely to see, different fish, different crustaceans, all the kind of things, and information about them, whether they're sort of curious or whether they're a little bit skittish, how big they are, and sort of different colors, and just some information so you know that you're what you're looking at, and you can understand what you're looking at and the differences between the different things. So no longer are you going to come up at the end of the dive and go, oh, I saw a fish, but I don't really know what it was. You can actually identify all the different fish that you see during your dives using one of these books. So a really nice gift and very handy for any scuba diver, especially when you're going somewhere new. There are lots of different fish species sort of under the waves. A nice little gift. And that's the Marine Pictolife Book. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.